One of the biggest perks of organic gardening is that you know what is, and isn't, in your food. Growing an organic garden is easier than you might think. Just follow the tips we've put together. Select your site. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Most fruiting plants, like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and melons, need full sun to produce well. However, don't despair if your garden is a bit shady. Leafy greens like lettuce, kale, and many herbs can tolerate partial sun, think 3 hours per day or more. Stay away from large trees and roots, which can steal nutrients and water from your vegetables. Be sure you have easy access to a water source, too. If you don't have a large yard, no worries, container gardening to the rescue. If you're growing in pots, place them in protected areas in case of strong winds so they won't topple over. Consider putting your organic container garden somewhere that's convenient to the kitchen, too. Use great soil. Excellent soil filled with nutrients is one major key to a successful organic garden. Rich, well-draining soil encourages your plants to produce strong root systems. If this is your first time organic gardening, start a compost pile now to help enrich the soil. But remember, it takes a while for compost to break down to use in your garden. Pick the perfect plants. Selecting plants native to your region or bred specifically for your climate helps create a healthy, low-maintenance organic garden, which is especially important if you're new to organic gardening. For example, you may see short-season tomatoes perfect for colder northern climates, or tomatoes that withstand high temperatures and humidity for southern regions. Don't dismiss disease-resistant hybrid plants, either, as they can also create less work and greater harvest in the garden. Plus, plant a variety of flowers and flowering herbs to attract pollinators and other beneficial insects that will help keep pests away and your plants happy. Water wisely. Too much water can be just as bad for your plants as not enough. So always check the soil before watering. Stick your finger 1 inch down into the soil. If the soil feels moist, leave it alone, but if it's dry, it's time to water. Clean up debris. Good hygiene is just as important for the garden as it is for the gardener. Remove diseased leaves and plants, don't add them to the compost pile, regularly check leaves and stems for pests, and dispose of garden litter, think overripe fruit, broken branches, fallen leaves. Enjoy your harvest.